This is the latest Insta360 X3. This comes with an upgraded half-inch 48 megapixel sensor and a large touchscreen to change settings. One of the best things about 360 camera is the invisible selfie stick. X3 has an improved and larger battery. X3 is perfect for creative content, and Insta360 have many interesting short lapses for you to use, such as this cool bullet time in 4K 120 frames per second. The X3 comes with many cool features and improvements, such as 72 megapixel 360 photo, 4K single lens mode, it's rugged and waterproof up to 10 meter, 8K 360 time-lapse, 360 active HDR video. All video comes with amazing flow state stabilization and 360 horizon lock. X3 also is better in low light with the upgraded sensor. And this is one of the night labs that I captured in front of KLCC. And that's it for now. I'll definitely be creating more with X3, so stay tuned for them. Bye bye!